Hello guys, so let me instruct you that it's always a good practice to install a good antivirus. I would suggest not antivirus or internet security, but I would suggest you to install total internet security. Either it is of Quickhill, so Quickhill total internet security, or maybe Kaspersky total internet security, or maybe McAfee total internet security. So what it does is that it puts a layer of security over the inbuilt firewall. So the topic of this particular video is that Microsoft has given you some tools to scan your computer and look for scan your computer and search for whether some malicious program has been installed in your computer or not. So that's a Microsoft's inbuilt tool. You can use it. It's a handy tool. So what you can do is that you need to simply place window plus R and then type MRT. So it's Microsoft's malicious removal tool. Malicious removal tool. So MRT, the letters of the words, the first letter of the words, and all you need to do is that you need to hit enter and see what happens. Wait for a couple of minutes. It might depend on the processor speed and the speed of your computer, and it will open up. So the mouse wheel is it's yeah, so it has opened up finally. So this is Microsoft Windows malicious removal tool. This is an inbuilt tool given by Microsoft, but this is a layer of protection which is given by Microsoft. To make this more secure, I would suggest you to use any good antivirus, not antivirus but total internet security, and it is of your choice whether to use Quickhill or Kaspersky or McAfee. It's totally based upon your choice. Google it that which one is the best for your computer. It works as a guardrail for the firewall which is given by the Microsoft. It works over it and it scans all the threats and online things which are going on. So this particular wizard, and all you need to now do is that whatever you are doing, whatever we generally do in case of a wizard, a wizard window opens up, we click on next and then quick scan or full scan or customized scan, and then next and all those stuff, and then finish. Microsoft will be scanning your local hard disk and it will search for if any virus or infection has infected your computer, and it will try to quarantine or eradicate all those malicious program from your computer. So that's all for this short video tutorial, and that's a short tips and tricks for Windows users. If you like this particular video, and do throw some comment and how it helped you and how it made you feel, to overcome the hurdles of your computer. So I'll be again see you. I'll be again coming up with another video on Windows tips and tricks, or maybe on some Python or Java. So that's all for this video tutorial. Thank you all guys, and happy coding. So let me stop the screen recorder and we'll be moving on to the next video.